Here we come to the other elevator at the education building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona, and it's already here waiting for us. So let's go up to 8. This thing is tiny, and it takes off really quick too. Capacity 2,000 pounds. We're on 8. A little bit of classic leveling. Let's go down to 1. And the door closes right away when you push the button. Hear the motor. Oh, stopping on 7.
Hi there. 2.
2. 2.
2,
Here we go.
3, 2, 3.
Here we go.
3.
Here you go.
This is the second floor. This is the lobby.
Okay. You're now here?
You get off here or
No.
1?
At 1. Cool. Okay.
Let's go.
What's wrong with the elevator?
There's nothing wrong with it. Here we are on 1.
I don't know why I just registered a thing. Yeah, alarm.
There's nothing wrong with it. We're on 1. This is 1.
Here.
Yeah. Are you guys gonna be here? Are you gonna be in the elevator for a while?
Yeah, just a bit, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get up. We're gonna go back up.
Okay, so you can head out.
Get off, please.
Where are you at? Sorry.
Okay, can you just make it fast? Because people need to use the elevator too.
We can just get off here.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Well,
We can walk up, that's fine.
yeah, it might go someplace.
Yeah, it is, sorry.
Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.